You ain't tired, bruh. You running, and your body's calling you on it, bruh. You're not exhausted from what you did today. You're exhausted from everything that you didn't do. The life you keep avoiding, bruh, that's the only thing that matters. And it's sitting right there waiting for you to stop making excuses. And a lot of times, bruh, it don't even really be that you're tired, man. You just put your energy and your focus in a lot of stuff that don't really bring you no tangible results, man. You end up standing on your phone, scrolling on your phone. And when you get done with that, you'll still feel exhausted, bro. And I used to do the same thing. I would do it because I was dodging decisions that I know I needed to make, but I was too scared to make. And that's what a lot of us do, man. We dodge those decisions that we need to make and we know we need to make that could actually move us forward. But we rather waste our time scrolling, rather waste our time watching Netflix, waste our time doing stuff that we know ain't gonna bring us no tangible results. And then you look up and you say you tired. When I used to do it, honestly, bro, I would be numbing myself out, really numbing myself out because I couldn't face what actually needed to be done. The stuff that would actually bring me some kind of results, I wasn't doing that type of stuff, but then wonder why my energy was always depleted, why I always felt tired and exhausted. Because I wasn't doing nothing that's gonna bring me no real satisfaction. I wasn't doing nothing that's gonna really boost me up or charge me up. There's been drained from something that's real, doing something that's real, you could be drained from that. There could be drained from you just wasting your day. And that's what be going on, man. You already know which one describes you. But let me tell you what your body is telling you, bro. So what's going on is your nervous system, bro, it treats scrolling avoidance the same way it do actual danger because it don't know the difference, bro. But here's how you could know. Here's how you could know if you're really doing it. Because at the end of the day, real work, it'll exhaust you but feels good, but that avoidance work, it'll drain you how you feeling hollow. Like you ain't accomplished nothing that you set out to accomplish. That anxiety you feel, bro, the anxiety you feel, it's not protecting you from harm, bro. It's protecting you from having to change, from having to do the real work that you say that you need to do, that you know you need to do, that can get you to the next level. I could actually recall times where I sat around and did absolutely nothing and felt so drained, man. I could also recall times when I went to the gym or I did something meaningful and that energized me, boosted me all the way up. And this is the part that's gonna sting. You have made I feel so tired so much a part of who you are that when your body hear that or your mind hear that you tired, your body responds like, okay, you tired, then that's what I'm gonna give you. That's exactly what's going on, man. Here's what happened, bro. You'll grab your phone, scroll to wake up, push off what matters. And at the end of the day, you know you wasted another day again. And what it's cost you, bro, is you having the same life 5, 10 years later. Then the people around you wonder why you never changed, why you never leveled up, why you never grew. That's what it costs you. You carrying around potential that you refuse to use, bro. So now you feeling like just ain't nothing going right. You feeling like you carrying around potential that you know you could be actuating, but you're not actuating because you sitting around wasting stuff on non-productive items, non-productive time, and that stuff start to bother you. So you need to start asking yourself a different question. Stop asking yourself, why am I always so tired? And really start thinking in your head, if I'm not tired, what is it that I'm actually scared to do? Tonight before you go to bed, bro, write down one thing that you know you need to do. And handle that thing, man, before you pick up your phone. Unless if your phone is a part of the thing that you said you need to do, like put your phone on D&D so you can actually do the thing. And then when you do the thing, you can take your phone off D&D and keep it moving. But that's what you need to do. Just start writing down one thing. If you got a laundry list of things you need to do, don't try to focus on all of them, bro. Just do one of them. Do the one thing that you know you need to do. And don't pick up your phone. Don't cut on the TV. Don't check on the guys. Don't do nothing until you handle that one thing. Because in all honesty, bro, you're not tired. You just weighed down by choices you won't make. And your soul knows that. Your soul knows that you built way more for that. Your body knows that. Your body knows the truth. So that's where you got to start at. Start right there. Try this for the next 7 days. When you get the urge to reach for your phone out of exhaustion, what you perceive to be exhaustion, stop and ask yourself, if I'm not really exhausted, what is it that I'm really avoiding? When you get to the bottom of that, when you get to the truth of that, then you had the juice, you had the knowledge, you had the motivation to move you forward to do the actual thing, because you're not exhausted. You're not. You're just making decisions to avoid something that you know you need to be doing. Godspeed. Let's get to it.